Today I'm checking out this magnetic phone holder that was sent to me so I can do this review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then I'm going to get it installed. So in the box you get this little plastic piece here that has sticky tape on the other end. You put this in your vehicle wherever you're going to put this holder. Comes with wet wipe and dry wipe. It has a little magnetic ring to put on your phone or phone case if you don't already have some kind of magnetic ring or the iPhones that use those. And then here is the actual mount itself. Very cool, small, easy to, manipulate. You can spin it on this little shaft that's here, so you can put it kind of whatever direction you want there. And then it has this ability to tighten up this suction cup here. So after you put the suction cup on, you would twist it to lock it. And you can see how concave that gets. That's really putting a lot of suction. And if you want to take it off, you just loosen it, pull the little tab, and then it's just like a regular suction cup. Looks like it's got a nice magnetic ring. I'm going to get this thing installed.
So I've got it installed here in my Chevy Silverado, and I've got to say I really like it. I've used it a couple days, and it really fits my phone perfect right here. There's a nice flat area on my dash, so the pad stuck to it really well. Then the suction cup holds awesome. And when I'm driving, this thing doesn't shake around a lot. My phone is nice and sturdy. The other thing I really like about this one is some of these car holders that have the magnetic ring, some of the rings are not strong enough. They don't hold very well. And then some of the rings are so strong that it's hard to get your phone off. And when you pull on it, it messes with the car holder. This one is almost perfect. I put my phone on there. It holds it with enough force to not move around. But then when I go to grab the phone and pull it off, it's very easy to pull off. So I am really liking this phone holder a lot. I think you'll like it too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.